how to add a payment method in Gumroad. So if you want to add a payment method in Gumroad, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser. After opening, just go and search for Gumroad. Go and click on gumroad.com and it will take you to this kind of interface. And you just need to simply go with the dashboard section, which will be in the top right, and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now here on the left side, you will have a settings option. You can click on your profile and then you need to go with settings. Now under settings, you will have the payment section. Click on payments. Here you will find a few sections, which is the first section is payout schedule. You can schedule it weekly, monthly, quarterly, and then you will have the minimum payout threshold. You can also pause your payouts if you want to. Then we have the second section, which is product pages, and then the payout method. So if you want to add your payment method or your payout method, you can just simply go and select PayPal. You can add your PayPal email address, your account type, your business type, and then your first and last name, your address, city, postal code, and all of the information. And then your payment method will be added, which is PayPal. So here you may also have a bank account option, like adding your bank account. But in my case, I've not verified my account. So if you have an interface which says that your account has been verified, then you will have an option to add your bank account as well. So in my case, I have an option of PayPal. So I'll just simply click on PayPal and then just enter the information like your email address, your first and last name, your city, address, phone number, date of birth, and everything. And after adding, the payment method will be added. But remember that PayPal payouts are subject to a 2% processing fee. So that's how you can add a payment method in Gumroad. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.